What is up, everyone? Today we're going to do a 2-minute quick tutorial on how to purchase the Planet token on the Solana chain. For this tutorial, all you'll need is 3 apps: the Coinbase app, the Phantom Wallet app, and a way to access the internet. For us, it'll be Chrome. Let's get started. First, we're going to open up Coinbase. Then we're going to click on Trade. We need to search for Solana, and then we'll click Buy. Let's purchase $125 worth of Solana. We'll click Review Order. Now click Buy Now. Our order has been submitted, and now our order has been successful and it's available for us to move. Let's now open up our Phantom Wallet. We'll click on Solana. Now we'll click on Receive. We're going to copy the wallet address. After that, we're going to return back to the Coinbase app. We'll click on Send. Let's paste our Solana wallet address. Click Continue. We're going to send all our Solana, so let's just click on Max, click on Preview, and then click on Send Now. Coinbase is going to send us a confirmation. Now we're going to head over to the internet. We're going to go to www.planetrefi.com. At the top of the page, we're going to click on Get Planet. We're going to scroll all the way down and click on Dex Screener Sold. Scroll down here and let's copy the Planet address. Let's head back to our Phantom Wallet. Click on the globe icon at the bottom to activate the internet. Head over to radium.io. On this page, we're going to click on Launch App. Connect your Phantom Wallet. Now under the To section, click on Ray. In the search name or mint address, paste the Planet address. The Planet address will appear in the results. Now let's click on that. Click I understand and confirm. Now type in the amount of Solana you want to swap for Planet. We'll do 0.55. Click on Swap. Confirm the transaction by clicking on Confirm. Radium will confirm the transaction and then confirm the swap. Now to get back to our portfolio, we're going to click on the $ icon on the bottom left-hand corner of the app, and boom, there it is, our new Planet token. Hopefully this video was useful and easy to understand. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.